Για άνοιξε σιγά σιγά.
Hello, Jutta family. Lunchtime for Karina. And you can see Murphy and Daisy watching, and Lucy as well. They are all watching what she's getting.
Βάλτης κρέας.
She's also taking her medication for leishmaniasis. She's letting them know it's her dinner, no one else's.
Μάτσε το στόμα της μέσα, ρε.
She's looking much better. Her coat is now shiny. She still has severe hip dysplasia. We are still looking for a foster in Germany if anybody is willing for a couple of months, but we are also now looking at alternatives.
Καθάρισε το λίγο αυτό.
She seems to be doing very well, except for the severe hip dysplasia, which will need an operation. But she's not in pain. Her pain medication is working very well. She gets this fresh food, and also she will get the dry biscuits and the wet dog food as well. She's very happy here, even though she has a big problem compared to how she used to live. It must feel like paradise for her. So she is doing excellent, but if there is anybody in Germany that can offer her a foster home, please contact us. She lives on the upper level, and she quite likes Lauren and Finn. Now this little one is Kotsipida. See how long Lauren's enclosure is? Now this is the dog from the animal abuse case with the horse. This is the mom that had a litter. We are sad to say that some of her puppies were born with birth defects, and they died within the first 24 hours. It's sad, but it's not surprising because she must have had no nutrients to have them grow properly in the womb, and also the stress of the whole situation, the way she lived. She's happy now. She's enjoying again. She gets the same food as Karina, and she gets dry biscuits and wet food. Thank you, Jutta family. Bye-bye for now.